Most people think of international problems, of course. They think about clean water, or they think about diseases. But smoke inhalation in the home is actually causing more death than malaria, AIDS combined. And so my role is at New Hope Schools is I help build some smokeless stoves that reduce the smoke in homes in Haitian families. In Haiti, they make sure that they're really straight and strong. We're going to build ours a little faster. We're here at Vic West Elementary School. That's where my daughter goes. And we're building a smokeless stove to let kids know a little bit about what it's like for children in Haiti when they're cooking over a fire in their families.
This is our second session with Mark, and so they've been learning about the needs in Haiti. So they're learning about that country and the way people live there and needs that they have that are similar to ours but also different. They're learning what they can do about it, what people in our community are doing about it, and at the same time they're also going to be building the stoves. So they're learning about how to build a stove and how to work together and how to use really simple materials to make a tool that can feed them or work for them or heat water for them.
There's a big rock.
We make them out of grass and clay. And when I was watching him put the sugar water in the bricks, and he made these ladders.
You can start calling them out. New Hope School Society is a charitable society here in Victoria. It's local, it's part of our community, and we are engaged in sustainable household solutions in developing nations around the world. Really, we're focused on finding people who are making changes in their community and being involved with agents of change. Because we know that sustainability is not about a good idea that I can bring in. Sustainability really matters when someone locally takes and owns the project. On top. Okay, so each one is going to do a brick like this. So butter in between. You can imagine it's mothers and children who are cooking over this open fire every single day. We tend to think of that as fun. That's a barbecue. But a barbecue is a little bit different than every single day cooking over an open fire. I'm bringing it here to the school because I want the kids in our schools to find out what it's like for a kid in Haiti to experience cooking over a smokeless stove every single day.
It seemed like a really neat opportunity to bring in a bigger world perspective, and we always want to teach the kids about that, and our new curriculum specifically really focuses on community growth and personal growth kind of intertwined.
Hey, put that on there. Good.
I think it's a good idea because it's just helping out people in like Haiti.
Well, it's helping people that want to stop smoke pollution in Haiti, and it's stopping millions of deaths of little kids.
Well, I'm hoping that we can do a few things. Raise awareness of this particular global issue and help people become aware that smoke inhalation is a real significant issue. Number two, we're also hoping to raise funds for our project in Haiti. We have a great project happening this summer in Haiti. We're putting 2 interns on the ground, and the interns on the ground are going to be training 52 Haitian youth to develop smokeless stoves themselves.
Once we get the fire going, then we'll start feeding it with those sticks.
It's pretty fun.
It's cool. It's supposed to like you mix the things and you actually make it.
It just felt like I could do something with other people.
It is fun.
It's so cool that we get to build smokeless stoves.
It's just fun to build stuff. I like building stuff.
First time you light the fire, it cures the clay. So there might be some gaps, and normally what we would do is we fill all of those gaps. It makes it really, really a strong, hard burning fire. So the first time we go through with the stove, it'll smoke because it's getting rid of some of the straw that's in the brick. It's getting rid of some of the water that's in the mix. But over time, this stove becomes very, very, very efficient and starts to smoke much less than it did before. So we're gonna cook some Haitian tea. Has anyone ever had Haitian tea before?
We try not to do a lot of rehearsal in school, but we do a lot of rehearsal for life. And this is Mark coming in and telling us about something that he's doing right now, and we can be a part of it. So I think that's exciting for kids and teachers.
Oftentimes when we think about our international development projects, we think of ourselves as the hero in the story. And the truth is that I'm not the hero in the story. The hero in this story is the people in Haiti that we get to work with. So the best way you can help out, of course, is to go to newhopeschools.com and click on the donate button and get involved.